Hello guys, this is Mahbub and in this video I will show you how you can make a free WordPress website for any purpose, like you want to practice any services or you want to sell anything with free website. So let's get started. First of all, we will need a free email. Like if you have any Gmail or email, you can use it, but I don't want to use my email, so I will use a fake email. So let's see fake email. Okay, we'll use this one and we will search on Google for Pantheon site. Then we will click on first link. Then we have to click on get started, because we need to register first, and we will use this email. Just copy and then we will use this email, like you fulfill these details. Mahbub Hossain, my name, and last name Hossain, and email address I have copied already. Okay, I have to copy again. Just copy. Password is the same and country is Bangladesh. I agree. Yes. Create account. Okay, all perfect. Now we will log in it with these details. As I have showed you, password and username is same. Okay, now log in. Okay, first of all we need to verify our email. Okay, you can see we have got one email, and here is the verification link. So our email is verified. Now we need to log in. Just we need to put okay, now we are logged in to our dashboard. So this is how you can sign up on Pantheon site. Save. Okay, now we will make a fresh site for practice purpose, and let's create a new site. We can create it from here, or if you want we can create it from here also. Just create a free site and it will be WordPress. So we will select WordPress. Then this page is not found. Okay, no problem, we'll try another. Okay, let's refresh the page first. Sometimes this type of issue can show. Okay, now we can create. Okay, first of all we need to give our site site name. Okay, let's create for T20 WC. T20 WC. Okay, T20 World Cup. I love cricket, so that's why I put this. And World Cup is near, so okay. Country, United States, and continue. Okay, now it's deploying. So this is how you can create a fresh new free WordPress website, and it's not so hard. And if you have any question on your mind, feel free to comment below. I will definitely try to answer your comments. Okay, so here is our email. Is there any new email? No, nothing more. Just it takes some time, so that's why we need to wait, or I can skip off. Okay, now you can see this, and we can log into our site admin from here. English, we will select our language, English. Site title, we should select our site title, like we have given our website link T20WC. This is our website link. Username is same. Password is also same, because you know it will be very good if we use the same password, same for us.com. Okay, and now click on install. Okay, so now click on login. Now click on login and then login. Now our site is ready to preview, and now if we click on here, we can see our site preview. This is our site preview right now. Now what we don't need to do, we will upload a theme to get the preview well. Okay, so add a theme. We can get one theme from here. We can use this one, Astra. Okay, activate. Now if we reload our this page, you will see the difference from here, and we will upload the demo. Okay, okay, let's try to upload the demo theme. Activating. Okay, AI builder. Let's see. Let's get started for free. Okay, need to review, and it's verified successfully. And now create WordPress website less than 60 seconds. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, and sign up with email. Okay, let me copy my email address. Copy. I don't need this one right now. Now put email, first name, last name, password, create account. Okay, now it will send verification code here. Okay, you see we have got our email. Okay, here is the verification code. Okay, now as you can see, we can create now blank WordPress. We can use add cheaper. Let's reload this page first. Okay, maybe we have come to wrong place, that's why it's showing this. No problem, we are going to our dashboard first. Okay, let's with template. Okay, no need to do with AI. Okay, there is a network problem, so that's why it's taking much time. It's doing too much. Let me go with back. Let me show you with another other theme. It's once time. Build with template. Why it's showing this? Now it's doing too much. Let me show you with the other one, with other theme. Okay, so let's go to upload other themes. Okay, let's select a theme from here. Let me see. Okay, let's see with this one, egg news. Okay, all perfect. Now activate. Okay, now if we want to see the outlook, okay, now some plugin need to be installed. Okay, install, and it's installing. Okay, now you can see the full preview from here. So this is how you can create a WordPress website. It's not so much big issue, because sometimes for network issue it's happening. Template is not loading, maybe some network issue. So this is how you can create a brand new WordPress free website. Okay, so and if you have any question, feel free to ask me in comment. I will definitely try to answer that. So thank you.